probabilmente legale qua.
Black and white here to show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how it's done if you think you are a smarty. Telling you the truth since we spotted each other. With that a big up at elder sister and brother. Say all the legends and they are like no other.
Jaffa Market is one of the most visited places in Tel Aviv. It used to be a very religious area in the past, but recently it turned into one of the most trendy spots in town. There are a lot of shops and a lot of places where you can have fun.
Oh, piccolino! 2, 3.
Show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how it's done if you think you are a smarty. Telling you the truth since we spotted each other. With that a big up at elder sister and brother. Say all the
Questo è il pub dove ci hanno pelato ieri 9 euro per una birra, buona, Sembra di stare in Marocco. C'è un po' del Marocco questo, un po' di souk. Invece siamo a Gerusalemme.
Sembra messa fin troppo bene per essere.
Sì, no, è che non ha le mosche, quindi non siamo in Marocco. Minchia, ma che bello sto pesciame. Please.
If you visit the Mahana Yuda market, don't miss a chance to try the malawa wrap. It's a Yemeni pastry. It's absolutely delicious.
What's the name of this? What is it called? Milawa?
If you have a friend who's expired by Nazism, send him to visit Yad Vashem so that he can understand the horror of 6 million of Jews who died for incomprehensible reason. It was one of the most touching moments of my life.
Alexander Pisarov, 3 years old, Ukraine.
The old city of Jerusalem has been a center of culture, religion and history for thousands of years, from time of the Judean kings and the Roman era, through the Islamic Empire to the modern state of Israel.
Ma ciao, ditelo! Ma ciao!
Heavy brick and stone is teeming with history. No trip to the Middle East is completed without wandering through the alley of the bazaar, walking the rampart and exploring the old cities. Rich history at the Western Wall, Church of the Holy Sepulchre, Temple Mount, or the Tower of David Museum.
If you think you are a smarty, telling you the truth since we spotted each other. With that a big up at elder sister and brother. Say all the legends and they are like no other. Trained by a great and literal mother and father. And I said, drink and it as united. Black and white, it's to show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how what is done. united, black and white here to show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how it's done if you think you are a smarty, telling you the truth since we spotted each other.
If you are planning to do the water channel, make sure you have sandals or flip-flop, otherwise you won't be able to do the channel. And also a torch or a headlight will be helpful. Ho fatto un poggino. Comunque questo qua è il tunnel di Ezechiele. Sì. Ma che bello.
Praticamente dall'occhio stende. Sembra il combinero, Vedi?
Le mani è una roba che è abbastanza ricorrente, non so.
Seba dice che questi qua sono i gezzevoli, sono molto famosi. Allora rettifichiamo, i gezzemoli non erano quelli là, ma quelli lì. Siamo ai gezzemoli. Seba, noto bibliologo, conferma che siamo al
campo di olivi dei gezzemoli.
La prendiamo da qua, che è quella Seba di Santa Maddalena?
Maria Maddalena.
Maria Maddalena, bibliologo. Al Lion Gate. Ma è uno o sono due?
Black and white here to show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how it's done if you think you are a smarty, telling you the truth since we spotted each other. With that a big up at elder sister and brother, say are the legends and they are like no other, playing by a greater legend mother.
Come? Però dopo ti taglio le palline. Ti taglio le palline.
Black and white here to show you how we've been delighted. The new generation, it's the mid-90s, showing you how it's done if you think you are a smarty, telling you the truth since we spotted each other. With that a big up at elder sister and brother.
This is the end of a beautiful journey in Israel. we've been visiting Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. Thank you for watching this video and see you at the next trip, which will be in Jordan.